Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with PeoplePerHour for client acquisition easy tutorial step by step clearly. On the home page, locate the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to choose between signing up as a freelancer or a client. Select the client option to focus on client acquisition. Next, fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. After entering your details, agree to the terms and conditions. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Once your account is created, verify your email through the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Log into your new account using your email and password. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the option to create a new project or job listing. Click on Post a Job to start defining your project requirements. Provide a clear and detailed description of the project to attract suitable freelancers. Specify the budget and timeline for your project. Select the category that best fits your project to enhance visibility. Review all your inputs carefully, then click on the Publish button to make your project live. You will start receiving proposals from freelancers interested in your project. Make sure to review their profiles and feedback ratings. Communicate clearly with the freelancers to ensure they understand your needs. Once you find a suitable freelancer, you can proceed to hire them. Enjoy the benefits of working with skilled professionals found through PeoplePerHour. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.